express. They are trying to convert it into something else and projecting our MP in a bad light. Don't allow that to happen.
It's a problem for you also, it's a problem for us. Every time you also cannot come running over here, right? The people are suffering.
Sachidev is not correct. I'm telling you. Because you see the bend. You stand here, it's a straight line. You know that plan, you see the plan? And that plan, there's a curve. If you stand there, you can see the curve. Blind eye, you can say. So what he says is not correct. And he's been the main actor from 1921. I'll show you his photograph. Main actor. Nothing to be surprised.
No, you have to know. You are in
Who
charge.
are the actors?
You are in charge.
Same actors. Same actors. Sadashiva, Banerjee. Where are they now? This is nothing new. We have been saying this from day one. Even the plan that we gave you. So we are not solving the problem, no, once and for all. Why it is going on from 2020 to 2024? See this. We might have given you this. Okay. We've shown you retaining wall is there. चलते हैं भैया. What is the issue? There's no issue. We want demarcation. See, basically, this is what. This is a land.
Why you are not agreeing with 2013 DSR plan?
Not agreeing with.
Plan लाया है.
That's not a 2013.
जो दिखलाया.
No. That's a printout taken in 2013. It is promulgated in 1986.
Why you are not agreeing with that?
Because we know that the track was not laid equally
Track
on
से
the.
कोई मतलब नहीं था.
You need a reference point, no?
Track. We are not taking track as a reference.
Then what are you taking?
We are taking existing old buildings.
Which building?
So why you want to
there and
Which
why the buildings have changed? Because so what I'm saying is, you get the plan.
Track is not permanent.
Which building are you taking as success?
We are not.
No, let them come now because they know the rules. They know the rules. They have to take a permanent structure.
Yes,
which they have to.
Yes. Now the project again. We give a date on which day the election will come. Total station will come.
with the right plan. And tell us which is the reference point you're taking.
No, वो बोला यही plan से करना है.
No, but then you give us a letter.
Because
No, then you
वो
tell.
मतलब who is saying?
deputy collector.
Deputy collector is saying.
No, but then you give us that this is a center line as a reference point. Give us a letter to say that center line across the railway
है document.
is the
Land plan है, DSLR plan है.
DSLR 86 का बोलो.
Otherwise, we can go and meet the deputy collector.
आप कितने पार्टी से आए
No, and tell him also, no, show him that.
This is deputy collector.
Yeah.
No, collector. Deputy collector.
Deputy collector.
जी बुला रहे. तो ठीक है. नहीं आप जो बोल रहे हो टोटल स्टेशन करने के लिए ये asking
No,
which date you want.
it's not. There are two issues.
आप बात करो उनसे डायरेक्ट.
Who's that? We'll meet him. No, why you speak on the phone?
नहीं वो डेट फाइनल होना है ना सर. ऐसे पोस्टपोन थोड़ी करना.
No, but he must, there's no point. They must come.
बात
They have to come with proper data and equipment.
हाँ सर. Oh, Mr. Max is here. Please talk to him regarding the next date.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Achha. See, the issue is what? The issue is that we are come here to resolve a land dispute, whether it belongs to the villagers or whether it belongs to the railways. Correct. That is the basic issue. Now, to establish the boundary, you need a reference point.
The land already acquired now, no?
No. If you look at the award of the acquisition, the deputy collector at that time has very clearly said that the land has not been demarcated in this area.
Now they will demarcate, no? As
Yeah,
per the
but-
plan of the DSLR.
But DSLR plan that they have got is a plan that was promulgated in 1986. What has happened after that? You have the track has been changed from 1 meter to 1.7 meters to broad gauge.
No, the plan on the basis of which acquisition has been made, only that's then they
No,
will-
you have to take the right plan. No, the
No.
one.
The award was passed in the year 2022 on the plan
Correct.
prepared by the DSLR.
Yeah, but that plan, right from day one, we've been saying that that plan is not correct.
No. By that plan only they will demarcate the land now.
But that plan is not correct. We want that plan where the new railway, the broad gauge has been laid.
No. Now we cannot take the other plan because that
There is no plan. There is no plan. They are saying,
there is a plan. There is a plan.
no, then you give it to us. No?
Let's tell them. I will tell them to give you.
Okay, fair enough. That's good enough.
Yeah. Because if the plan prepared by DSLR only on that basis,
I'm repeating. The plan that they have brought here is a plan that is promulgated in 1986. Okay? After 19... File is with you.
No, I got.
The file is with you.
I got documents are with me.
86. So then
But now that this point should have been raised in that meeting.
there's nothing to raise. We want a proper survey. This point should be raised. What about the other point? I think you're also not being fair. You're saying this point should be raised. That no work should start till the survey is over.
Exactly,
that point.
exactly.
So what about that point?
Yeah, exactly.
Then they can do whatever they
I
want.
told them.
You have to speak balance.
त्यांचं काम स्टार्ट कर जोपर्यंत फायनल झालं तोपर्यंत काम स्टार्ट कर नका म्हटलं बरं.
I don't know why government of Goa is bending backwards and not protecting the right of our people here.
You see, here, they build the retaining wall. Fine. They build it. It's required. And it's nothing new. We knew that it was required. But now the foundation of this comes in whose property? The retaining wall is like this, no? No, this down. So this comes where? See this line? Isn't that encroachment? You would put mud angel cover on top and say on top is okay.
And that day they came, they are telling to, yes, all and where they have got permission from the forest department, याचे मामी झालो आहे हिंगा. हिंगाचा याचे माड बाड आहे, याचे कितले झाड आहे. Nothing. They have no permission. I checked with the forest department. They say no. For this 18/1, there is nothing. So.
They've got a total station.
This does. We want from whoever it is, they have to, our person must use it. बाबा आमची इतल्या गरीब सारको गव्हर्मेंट दुडबड जाला की सगळे आमी तेणी रेल्वे कडेन आमचे गांव रावता तेंचे हें करपाचें इतलो दुडबड रे आमचो गांव म्हाका खबर ना मरे हा कितें
But before you do that, get one letter from them to say that the central line is the existing old one.
Already? Yeah. I'm called notice that to come so far they come to that so far.
ऑफिशियली लेटर येईल मरे सगळ्या लोकांचे सगळे लोक तोच लोक येईल आम दुसरो लोक काढ नाही का
ना तें सांगपाचें सेमा घराकडच्या नोर ना एमएलए घराकडच्या नोर आमगे शांती पिड्यार करून
अरे आता हमको ऑफिशियल नोटिस है
होय
अरे हम ले आएंगे एक काम को देते हैं देखो नोटिस काढो हमका
Defiance notice. नोटीस जाता है
तुम्ही
तुम्ही
आमकां
जो आहे.
या हिंगा आमकां आमकां थंय चोय अशें न्हू
रायटिंग करूया
जाण न्हू आमकां ऑफिशियली नोटीस येयल्या लोकांक आनी कॉपी केली आमकां वी आर बीन हियर हाल म्हणूं नाका आमी मॉब घेवन येयली म्हूण हे सगलो लोक गांवचो हिंगाचो लोक येयला ना कोणा हाडला दुसऱ्या लोक That is why I have called our PI, please deputy the stock immediately.
नोटीस हिंगा आहाय.
Because बोलते जाता हिंगा
डेप्युटी कलेक्टर
Yeah, revenue Mapango.
And take it boron deeply amka. Then till everything is only they can do whatever. We cannot continue with the work.
Saladistan, don't bend backwards. I'm communist too. I'm straight सांगत हांव हाटल्या उलयना.
Already so then straight away.
Just obeying order of the deputy collector.
Exactly, this is what we have to do. We have to do. आणि तो बारके कोण कितें सांगलो जाल्यार ओके आमकां कितें म्हणटाले ते बारके तो तेंगे जनरल मॅनेजर अभियाना सांगता जातें करूं म्हणून आमकां
कितें सांगतालो आपणा तुमी कितें करता तेंचो या दाखयता सगळे मुठाले आतां तेश कोन काम कमी आसता म्हणटा
व्हिडिओ
हय सावत
अरे तुम्ही अशें कोन्न उलयले आनी उल कितें रे आमकां हाल येतीं गांवांत तेंगे घरां भितर घुसताले ते दीस पळय बोडे बांद मार येतीं पावले न्ही तुमकां हें मोडे मोटाय आनी तो कोण एक लेबर लायता एशें लेबर इंजिनियर देखून लेबर एक मेन एक बोर्ड लायन एक
तेथीं वयर सांगता आनी तो
तो थिंग रावता भिवन हिंग सगळा दिवन दिसा कोताय मरे Clear answer, Burela. See the bottom.
अरे तलाठी here's a notice where it is said DSLR.
Very clear. No, that's
No, we want DSLR. We want DSLR. Let him give a letter. If he's in DSLR, that's a different thing. Statement issued by DSLR.
या तलाठी का
Talaki also come.
And he's not from the total station, not from the team, and he's got the old plan from 90. Understand? No? Now we told him we have to have a proper this. Understand? No? We have to talk.
Hello? Hello?
So now what is happening? Yeah, we told
Now when we came here around 10 o'clock, before that only they started the job here. They were working last night. Yeah. But now they are come with a plan which was done in 86.
promulgated in 86
Promulgated in 86.
and double track came in the broad gauge came in 90.
And the broad gauge came in 90. So we are asking for that plan. Which they are
That
not,
is the reference point.
That's the reference point, and they are not having anything. And how can they just came with one tape and they want to do the job. Now these things won't work, no? No, they don't have. But that broad gauge one plane they are not having. Because then for the reference, now how will we know which side the broad gauge tracks were expanded, that's the other side or this side? We want to know everything before they do know. So that is the reason why we wanted all the planes here, sir. And then there is a confusion because of that.
Instead of
But recent plane was, people were not taken into consideration, and without taking people into consideration, you all did that. That is not right, no. Ground situation is not as whatever is there on the plane. What we discussed, sir? We discussed that we'll require the DSLR to come and properly measure it, because after all it's matter of people's houses. So things are to be sorted out properly, sir, because see, off and on these people, they rush to me. So I don't want problem for my own villagers. Okay, so I want things to be sorted out in a better way.
not come with a total station. Total station. How will they?
No, they are not come with the total station and all. They are just come with one tape. That is not the right way, no, sir. We have to have everything, no, sir. You also have to understand. They are the villagers. And we can't just, they come with a tape and put here, there, every time go on changing. That will not work. Yeah.
So tell me what you identify. Have you understood what I'm saying? This is a permanent structure. You have to take that as a reference point.
Baba Satish.
Now what has happened through all these?
Who has laid this track?
Okay.
We have laid a track. They have laid a track. So they should get the plan.
Do what you want.
And from there we'll take a reference point. See, the whole thing has been, this is not the first time. We have been telling them this will
We will go with our head, with our work, and we
Especially with the...
now they are looking for confrontation. Nothing else but confrontation. Okay.
Yeah. Police have come earlier also.
Yeah.
We told the police same thing. Here also. Nothing new. All these police come every year. But they can't show anything that it is your deputy collector has admitted that he has not been able to do demarcation. Have you seen that? I'm asking you.
Send a picture.
Have you seen that?
Send a picture.
Yes, have you seen that? Then he has admitted that he has not done demarcation. So why he has not done demarcation? Because there is no reference point. Get the reference points and do demarcation.
बघा इसलिए तुम आज पोते तो पानी हो ना हिंगा वाचे लास्ट वाइट लाइन लो ना हमको थोड़ा त्रास आता कि त्या को त्या आमची वयर आता आणि टॉन्ट करता गेट ब्रिंग अ पुलिस तुगे पुलिस आणी म्हणून एक दाग न्हू गोंयचो दिस इज आवर लँड गोवा पुलिस हॅज दिस ओवर दिस नॉट रिलीफ पुलिस हां केस टॉन्ट करणार न्हू सॉर्टेड आउट प्रॉपर्ली पीसफुली ऑल आर चॅलेंजेस No,
Oil part no.
Oil
part no.
इतले पार्टी आम्ही आर बाग घेतींग दोले
Not once and for all properly.
आमकां मातशें रिस्पेक्ट आहा न्हू गांवांत आपलो आतां दादागिरी कोत्तींग आतां जाय तें कर पडटा काम चालू जाता कलेक्टरान ऑर्डर दिलो हें जात करो हें कांय जावपा ना न्हू आतां ती तें टेप घेवन येताय टेप घेवन येताय पदनेपाक हें प्लॅन घेवन येताय हें करपाक कितलो जातलें अशें करून वी आर लिवींग इन स्टोन एज
Now when they make
Broad gauge.
that those days are not there before.
There is no track to it. Because we are not taking any reference from track. We are not taking any reference from track. Survey. Land is entered. There is no reference from track.
थँक्स न्हू तें आमकां फोटो आमी थँक्स फॉर आमची आमी आमकां मातशें शिकोवपा
I'm asking you. There was a meter gauge track. What is the width of the meter gauge?
It's a meter.
1 meter. Inner tunnel, 1 meter.
1 meter.
What is the broad gauge?
1.616.
So then,
The sender is saying.
that means I got a letter from you all.
No,
No, 1 minute, 1 minute. No.
Because I last 40 years I am saying in the track only. I know.
I have been told that in some places you are going to decide, some places you are going to decide.
It cannot be decided. It is in the yard. Consoling yard is your point.
I am not talking about consulting now. I am talking
See,
about
this arrangement, if you change this side or that side, it will not get meet Sangwan and consoling.
There's a bend
No,
also here.
no, that is a curve earlier.
Give me one letter, no, to say that you have taken reference on both sides.
कंपनी कौन है कंपनी
उनसे बात कीजिए कौन कंपनी
वो देख क्यों नहीं आते हैं वो आता नहीं है।
अपना मार खाएगा सीधा बोल दे
हमारे से मत बोलिए
नहीं वो नहीं देखते
इंचार्ज
हम
है
हम
हमारे
क्या
गाँव।
बोलते
कोई
हैं
आता ही नहीं नीचे
हम तो
अभी
काम करने वाले हैं ना जी
बाबा
वो नीचे नहीं आता है
वो हम नहीं जानते तुम कितने लेकिन तुमको देखा
साहू
तुम किधर
also
काम किया होगे
There is Sahu also is coming.
तो हम वही कहेंगे आप लोग आपस में बात कर लीजिए हम तो काम करने
तो
वाले
उसको
हैं।
भेजो ना काम
अब
पर
हमारे ऊपर वो है वो बोल रहा है
अरे उसको तुम बात करो मेरे को बोलोगे नहीं तुम जाओ तुम बात करो
आप
देख आप जो बोलते हैं तुम वो आदमी को तुम बात
वो
करो
आदमी को बात किया ना वो बोल रहा है चालू करो
चालो करके वो बोलाना हम बोलते हैं बंद करो
हाँ तो बंद कर दिए
हाँ?
फिर बोला बंद करो बंद कर दिए
इसका बात करो इसका बात करो इसका बात वो कौन है हमको उसको हम पहचानते हैं इसको
आपके नजर में ना है ना अब हमारे हम उसके अंदर में हैं।
मार
हाँ झालं कैसे हम बोला पण पेट्रोल स्टेशन आडे DSLR आसपास है दे हैव टू डू वी आर नॉट डूइंग दिस अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस टेक पीपल
सतीश ने किया सचिन also is coming. What is this, sir? He was told not to do the work. He has started the work.
But they have done
Rasta
mud,
they
no?
came with the mud they came 2 trucks
Last night they came.
And
Morning
this
also.
mud is fresh. This was not there. I have pictures of yesterday evening of this area.
Then
So don't tell
Sahu,
us that you all are doing.
who is doing this work? Who is doing this work? Huh? We are used to that.
And they are defying us. Call your police. Goa police मोठा आहे. Don't tell go there. Which sang boy?
We are used to all this.
Yeah, I know. Exactly. कोणा काय नाम का? All are violating our local laws and all are continuing.
Surveyor. He is not from ISLR.
पंचायत काढून
Deputy Collector, we want ISLR. नहीं देखो मालूम है जब को जो कुछ भी आए we want DSLR surveyor.
We state welfare.
You got a total station.
Do you have a total station here?
Then how are you going
How
to
you are
do?
going to do with tape?
With tape?
हाँ
Well,
On what basis you are doing?
हाँ
This track that is laid.
और बिल्कुल रेल्वे गेट क्रॉस करून
No, no, 1 minute. I'll ask you a few questions.
पंचायती पुढे गाडा आणि बस स्टॉप
You are going by which plan?
लेफ्ट मारो
It was done in which year?
लेफ्ट टर्न रस्ता गेला आपण बस स्टॉप आणि गाडा होती लेफ्ट मारला गेट क्रॉस करून यू टर्न मारायचा
No, no, when was it promulgated? When was this plan promulgated? No, no, don't look at a date there.
You are supposed to know the subject.
I am asking you, when was this plan promulgated? If you don't know, I'll tell you. It was promulgated in 1968. The track that you see there is a 1986 track.
86.
When did the broad gauge come? When I surveyor, answer. You come to do a job, no? I don't want you to measure. You going to measure against what?
So there's a track, there's already a track defined.
When?
When?
That is 1986. 1990, new track came. Get that plan. Don't come with wrong plan. You get the plan when the broad gauge was done. This is a broad gauge, no? Then get that plan, no? Why are you talking about 1986 plan? We are not going to allow any survey unless you get that that plan.
And no works to be this. Otherwise, we'll get our people will come here. We have to advise the people not to come here. Work will not stop. Okay, we'll see how it is going to be. See the way they are this. ऐकल मरे तुम्ही किती स्कूल पाहता आमकडे आम गावकार मरे गाचे आज आम्ही घरात होतो येतले
दादागिरी कोत मरे.
माहिता क्या बात होता जैसा DSLR का of course it was there. Was he there? Was he present that day? This gentleman. So but with Mr. I know he is not your staff, but he is not equipped to do the job. भाई साहब, he doesn't know. Okay, देख लेगा, हम लोग देख लेंगे. Now you will understand what is it.
देख लेगा हम लोग. किसी का बाप का राज नहीं है, देख लेगा हम भी. अपना है, अपना गाँव है, देख लेगा.
जाने को आया क्या मारने को आया इधर.
बुला ना सबको बुलाओ इधर. ओ ये आदमी हाली फोटो लेने का है, हमारा बाजू में है मिस्टर शाहू. देखेंगे हम लोग, सब लोग जितना कितना होता है ना ये कर देंगे, देखेंगे. हम लोग को भी we also know our rights and our constitutional rights.
Without the proper plan, they are come now.
They are not coming with anything.
They don't know anything.
And they are telling us.
आपको मालूम है तो आप करो ना. आपको मालूम है कहाँ पे लैंड है.
No, you all have the plan, no, Sahu? No, but that is 86 plan.
तो आप लाओ ना 90 plan.
We didn't lay the track, you laid the track. हमने ट्रैक नहीं लिया, आपने किया है ना, तो आप प्लान ले आओ. तो रेलवे का तो नाम प्लान आपने संगा था.
जाते कोर मोटा कितने जाते कोर मोटा कितने.
तुम्ही राव नका एरिंगा. तुम्ही पहिला कुछ सॉरी. तुम्ही आमच्या गावचे दिसता तुम्ही गोळ्या कोण बरोबर.
They are standing in our property. Yeah, we are staying in our property. We are not doing अगो देखो काय ना स्टेट वन काय आता ते मुला स्टेट वन म्हणजे संस्था As can be seen here, even despite the collector issuing an order that there is no work to be conducted in this survey 18/1 at Molo. Works are going on. Overnight they have dumped, I don't know how many trucks load of soil here. And they were, until we came here, they were working in this area.
Because you heard. They are not supposed
So who is in charge now? Who is in charge for? Is government of Goa in charge, or the railways are in charge of Goa?
to them to do the work. They were told not to do any work till the survey is over. You don't add new. You are a contractor. You are a subcontractor of the contractor. So keep quiet. Please. You are a subcontractor of the contractor. So please keep quiet. You are talking to the right people. You have
What
been,
is my
you-
designation?
I don't know.
Then
I know that
how
you
you can tell?
you
I am
told-
not a contracted person.
Okay, fine. I'm talking to the boss. So please.
Monday, we'll decide.
Monday 18th.
Monday,
But before that, they should go and get as per which plan they will come. That will be decided. सब कब जाएंगे?
I'll go.
Why it stopped today?
Because the plan is not clear.
They
The
can
re-
be
the
totally
reference-
ill-equipped.
You do one thing. You go and see now.
I'm meeting him.
No, no, हम officially notice है,
What
लोग
I'm
आएंगे,
saying
इसमें
is, we
हड़पाए
want,
नहीं गा.
they are saying that the reference that
Today you're going now.
I'll go now. Let me also. I also got my other jobs. So there's a track. They are saying that the new track has been put like this. I don't know. That becomes a central line. No? Give us a letter to say that. So, yeah, that's all right. Let him give the letter. I'm saying that in front of you because I know it is not so. And I've got a letter from them to say that it is not so.
हाँ आपको जाएगा मिलेगा.
Come. I think let's not wait.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, Max sir, you please meet today.
No, I have to my other plans. Today also I came around.
नहीं तो बात कर.
No, I'll meet him. Hello. Hello, I'll come and meet you, sir. I'm tied up also. Let's see what my program is for today. I'll come and meet you. But you'll be there till what time today? I'll call you up. I have your number. I'll call you up.